Making $1 million in a year may seem daunting, but with the right strategies, it's achievable. Discover 3 tips to help you reach that $1 million milestone in 2025. Focus on high-margin, scalable businesses. Choose models that generate significant income without huge upfront investments. Consider e-commerce and dropshipping for quick scaling, digital products for passive income, and affiliate marketing for commissions. Master digital marketing to get your offer in front of the right people. Traffic generation is crucial for growth. Use paid ads, SEO, email marketing, and social media to build a community and attract customers. Reinvest your profits to scale your business. Use earnings for marketing, automate tasks, and diversify your offerings. Reinvesting helps in reaching a larger audience, hiring help, and expanding your product range, ensuring sustained growth. In conclusion, achieving $1 million in 2025 is within reach. Focus on scalable models, digital marketing, and reinvesting profits regularly.